Hello, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with a damaged display. And David, we'll save this one. Let's go. So this is the first time we have a S25 Ultra. This is fancy smartphone from Samsung. This is top of the line, but it's a shame because it's got a damaged display and we can't do anything about it but to replace it with a brand new one. And David, being our Samsung Galaxy expert here, he's gonna do a quick job on this one, that's for sure. So we'll remove the back cover. Back cover is glass, so we need extra care. David is wearing some protective gloves for grip, so we can maintain that gap and spray some alcohol to soften the adhesive. And the back cover is relatively easy to remove, and I think this device has been opened before. And the back cover is not the same color as the housing, so yeah, maybe there was a change of components, maybe the battery or the display. So we'll remove the wireless charging module that's covering the battery. And the internal components for the S25 Ultra is really premium compared to your lower Galaxy A series. This is next level. You have lots of flex cables over the battery, so we need to detach those and remove the daughter board that is under the battery right there. And then this is also a flex cable, we have to remove that. Now we will remove some miscellaneous parts. The main board is popping right out, no issues at all. The battery is also easy to remove. The battery is very dense. The main board is very compact. You can see how Samsung is doing their premium smartphones. So yeah, this has been opened before. The battery is easy to remove. The main board is easy to remove. The front camera is relatively hard to remove. I think someone glued that in place. So we'll transfer everything onto the brand new replacement display. So it's got its own housing as well. So you have a brand new display up front, and then on the side you get a very pristine housing. So it's like buying a brand new S25 Ultra for a fraction of the cost. So the main board, the data is still there. It's just a brand new feel on the display when you touch it. So we'll install the daughter board, reattach the connectors, put back all the retaining screws, and then cover this up. So this is really quick. You have David here, our Samsung Galaxy expert. Really no issues at all when dealing with your regular Galaxy device. So we have also offered Z Flip and Z Fold screen replacement, which are next level difficult compared to this one. This one is just your standard smartphone. So if you want a reliable, competent, and expert technician to handle your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, don't hesitate to visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We are a small shop here in Sydney. And if you can't visit us, you can mail in your broken smartphone to us. We fix Asus ROG phones for clients abroad. We fix devices from the US, Europe, and parts of Asia. So right here, we are going to cover this up. Really clean lines. The bezels on the S25 Ultra is also very thin all around. You have the cutout for the front camera, but really no other smartphone has this thin bezel. Really amazing. Right now we're just testing it. The cameras are all working. This is the S Pen. So the Galaxy S series now has the S Pen. It used to be the Galaxy Notes. Notes has been discontinued. The S Pen lives on your high tier Galaxy S series of smartphones. And look at that wallpaper, it's so cute. So this is the before and after. You can see the difference. Really overhauled the look of the smartphone. And we'll cover the display up with our protective film. This is not tempered glass. And I hope you enjoy this. I hope this inspired you to not lose hope if you're in despair because you broke your Galaxy S25 Ultra's display and it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Try to visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Try to negotiate with David on the rates. Maybe you can save a lot on the parts, or it's cheaper compared to your Samsung Repair Center. You also get some freebies like this one. There you go. It's not really gonna protect from damage, but close enough that it will protect it from completely disintegrating right after this repair. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every day, and try to watch our other videos if you're interested in smartphone repairs. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.